Hey family, what's going on? This is your boy Built on the Budget, back with another video. Hey, listen, man. Y'all probably done already seen the thumbnail, so me talking ain't no surprise to you. But I like to say, first of all, to Miss Built on the Budget, I appreciate you, baby, for always supporting me with my crazy ideas, with the crazy stuff that I do. You always seem to be there to support me emotionally, spiritually, and the most part, financially. Y'all guys, y'all need a lady like Miss Built on the Budget in your corner, because I'm gonna show y'all something. If you look around in my yard, right, and you see all of the stuff that's in it, and you look up here, you look right there, which is a new addition, and I'm not talking about no junk. And then I'm walking up the hill. I might have should have stopped the camera because I'm tired now. And then you look up here, it's obvious that there's nothing that I need in my life, and I'm missing one because she's driving it, right? But it's nothing that I need. And, oh, I forgot one. Can't forget JT sitting back over in the hole. So it's really nothing that I need. But as y'all seen the thumbnail, it's another one coming. And my wife support me through all of that. Why? Because she loved me. That's all I can think of. But I just want to say to you, baby, I appreciate you for your sacrifices, for all that you do to make me happy. And it keeps me home, which I'm not going nowhere anyway. And I like to thank baby girl, because you love your daddy. And you just want to make sure that he's on top with everything that he do. So what I'm gonna do, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, when Santa Claus come, I'm gonna let y'all see him, and I'm just gonna introduce y'all to what he bought to me, and we'll get into more of it in a minute. Sound like I hear Santa Claus coming, ladies and gentlemen. What y'all hear? Do y'all hear Santa Claus? Yeah. I hear him. That's him. That's the new parts truck, ladies and gentlemen. That's Built on a Budget's new parts truck that Santa Claus is bringing in. Sorry for the poor lighting. And look who Santa Claus is today. That's Santa Claus right there, ladies and gentlemen. Yep. There she go. Y'all put in the comments what y'all think about it as y'all see it. I'm going to introduce it to you today. And then on another video, I'm going to show y'all exactly what my plans is for it.
Bill. See some more magic. Let me see them. Let me see them things.
Yeah.
Let me put them back to work. I know the ratings are starting to go up again, ain't they?
Yeah, you know, people
Yeah,
interested.
hey, you start advertising that damn Dooley stuff. Only you know how to do that stuff, but that damn them catchphrases when you put them in there, like when you do a tool review or something, make sure you put Harbor Freight on there, shit like that. The people draw to that stuff.
Yeah.
And it's crazy how I've been watching it, you know, kind of watching how the stuff goes. All right, girl, you ready?
My wife gonna come home. But
What
she knew.
the hell?
Well, she knew because she made it happen for me. You know what I'm saying?
Good stuff.
And that's a good thing.
It was gonna be one of my favorites, but I'll be honest with you, I got more shit than I can shake a
That,
stick
that
at.
blue one you had, though, John, that joker was nice.
Oh, my big blue one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love to
That
do it.
wasn't that a crew cab?
No, that was a extended cab.
Extended
But
cab.
I'd love to do a crew cab just like it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Old Chris Woods chicken farm putting it out today, ain't it?
Yeah. It's blowing. Hey, it's blowing back on us. Cause normally the wind. Yeah.
Hey, we'll see what.
All right. Go to the right. Right hand take. Hey, look. This truck got a lot of parts on it that I need. If y'all notice that my truck, the one I got down the hill, well, you can see it parked down there. It don't have a headliner because it was a work truck. So it don't have none of these trim pieces of plastic, whereas this one do. So that's something I'll be able to use. It's got a brand new gas tank in it. These seats is wore out and they dirty, but they're in a lot better shape than the one that I have, even for covering. These is in better shape. The mirrors on it, they different mirrors than what I got, but this is what I was after. That big block. And it runs real good. I'm gonna crank it up in a little while and I'll let y'all hear it run on the video. Brand new master cylinder. It's got New brake lines on it. Another good mirror. Running boards that I don't like, but they on there. I mean, the potentials of what I'm doing and what I need to do is all here. Now, I'm gonna show y'all some stuff that my friend John, the guy that I bought it from, I'm gonna show you what he blessed the channel with. It's always good to have people in your corner that believe in you and believe in what you're doing. And I'm just gonna show y'all guys what the man blessed me with. And I wanna say, John, as you watch this video, I realized that you didn't have to leave these parts with this truck, but you did, and I'm appreciative of it. I thank you for that, and it's gonna help me get a little bit closer to where I'm headed. So let me show y'all what Mr. Armstrong, Buchanan's Auto Sales and Savage. Go to Buchanan's Auto Sales and Savage Auto. I'm gonna have to look it up and put the description down in the bottom, and I probably have it in this video before I end it, but I'm gonna give you his Facebook page where you can contact him, because he moves a lot of stuff that you might even need. So I'm gonna put that down in the description, and I even put it on this video, because I'm gonna have to look it up and make sure I'm saying it right, so I lead you to the right place. But let me show you what he left me. All right, here's the parts. So you see, I'm ahead of the game already. Now, let me talk a little bit about what really helped me make a decision on buying a truck that's as rough as this truck, because it's rough, and you can see that. But the parts that's on it. All right, after looking this truck up, this truck comes with a 342 ring. Now, in my truck, which used to be a cabin chassis, it's a 410. The cabin chassis frame is good. The rear end is good if I wanted to run, let's say, 2 steel wheels in the back. Because it's a cabin chassis, it'll help tuck them wheels, but it would need like a 1/4-inch spacer to get it off the springs. Well, I didn't really want to do that. I wanted a stock with rear end. So 342 gears, that's gonna be perfect for what I want to do, even if I end up buying the wheels from Dooley King, which he sells a tuck setup, and there's some other places that sells a tuck setup wheel, and there's different ways of doing it, running a steel wheel and an aluminum wheel. But I really needed to have a standard width rear end for this truck, maybe one out of a Blazer, not a Blazer, a Suburban. Okay, so that's a plus right there. Okay, this truck, let me show you, has a tilt steering wheel in it. Well, my truck don't have tilt, but this one here do. Pop the emblem out, put the Chevrolet emblem in, and I'm good to go. It even has cruise control on it, right? And do it work? I don't know. But it's all there. So that gives you hope. It's all there. Okay. The 400 transmission in it, That's good. What else? Let me see. Boy in the hood. I don't even like wearing hoodies, but my toboggan is in the house. All of the linkages that it's gonna take in this truck, make my truck a driver, everything is here. Basically, all I got to do is switch everything out of here into my truck. Even if I wanted to do an air conditioning unit factory, all of this stuff is here. The belt is still on. I don't know if it worked or not, but the compressor is still here. I mean, it's a 4-core radiator, and it don't leak. It's full of antifreeze. It's a lot of good meat on this truck. But I'm gonna show you one thing that I hope is good. A couple of things, and we're gonna check it out. Let me turn into it. Now, if y'all remember in my truck, and I'm gonna show it to you, how right on that hump, on the passenger side, you see where that hole in the floorboard is at? Mine was rusted out bad right there. And I'm hoping that I can salvage a lot out of this one. So let's go down there and see what I can cut out of that one, out of this one to fix it. So hold up. Wait a minute. I don't know. I know that one up there is rusted out right here. So I may can get this cut out back here, but I'm gonna pull all of that stuff out just to see how much of it is good on that truck. So I'm actually looking to salvage this out of the floorboard. And this right here out of the floorboard. So I'm gonna be looking for that on the passenger side. And these little pieces down here. See if I can get all of that out of that truck. On that side right there. If I can get that. Let me go around there. Yeah. If I can get that, that's a plus for me. And I think I can, but I'm going to have to strip it down just to find out. But I feel good about it so far. And then, let me show you something else I did today. Now, y'all guys know that this truck I got, it was a cabin chassis body. Oh, let me get back in the screen. It was a cabin chassis body, right? And so the headlight situation was a little different. You know, I had the one headlight up there, over there, with the park light. Maybe if I get the lenses, you will see it a little better. Yeah, that was the look, right? I didn't really like that, so this is what I got. I got this whole radiator support with the double stack headlights. So instead of the truck looking like a work truck, it'll have a look like that on the front. That's what it'll look like over there. It'll look like that. So that's the look that I'm after. I got the radiator, the core support to put in here. I just got to switch them out and go from there. And last but not least, on this video, this truck also have a new gas tank on the passenger side. A new gas tank. So that's a plus. I don't even know if I want that strip, but it's almost all there. The other piece might be in the truck somewhere. I don't know. But you know, camper special, 3+3. Hey, and then even on the tailgate, I got a broke light, or maybe two, on my tailgate, which that one there, will work. That'll fix me right up. And I got these aluminum wheels. So, I mean, you know, there we go. So, I'm gonna turn on into this thing a little bit, and in the next video, hopefully I can show you this thing running, because I really want to drive it around the block a little bit, but I got to take and clean it out, and I got to see if I can get some more good parts out of it. I don't know, but we'll know soon enough. So until the next one, it's your boy, built on a budget. Hey, this thing even got the keys to the door. Let me see if that. Uh-oh. Look at that. I even got the door keys. So when I change the steering wheel, I'm going to change the door locks too. I'm just steady finding goodies. Steady finding goodies. So, let me get some stuff done, and I put another video out. Y'all guys, stay tuned, man. Watch this video. You know, it's finna be some work done around here. And let me say this. By the end of this month, I'm registering the big dually down the hill. That's what I'm riding in to run to the sun. So I got my work cut out, but I believe I can get her done. So I'm gonna get this thing running and see if I can't get me some parts coming. You know, when I pull it out, I want to do freeze plugs, oil pan gasket, a new water pump, a new fuel pump, you know, whatever I need to change. And but I know more about it as I drive it. So until the next one, man, it's your boy built on the budget saying, hey, keep your notification bells on, because this thing is finna be on and popping. To the next one, peace.